Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today we are here with a new lecture of class 9th physics, that is gravitation. So we will discuss about gravitation in this class. So what are our topics to be covered? We will learn about gravitational force, gravitational constant, which is written as capital G. Then we will learn about gravity of earth, which is written as small g. Then we will learn relationship between Earth's and Moon's gravity. And at the last, we will learn about the difference between mass and weight, which is often a topic to be discussed every time because students most likely to confuse these two terms, mass and weight. So we will make it clear that what is mass and what is weight and what is the difference between the two. So let's start the lecture. So first we will discuss about gravitational force, which is the force of attraction between every two objects in the universe. Means ki in our universe there are many objects and every object is attracting every other object with a force which is called gravitational force. Suppose we have two boxes, one is of red color and one is of green color. This color I just give to make a difference and make you learn about gravitational force. So these two objects are the objects of the universe, of course, and these two are attracting with both with a force of 1 Newton. So like this, every object in the universe is attracting every other object in the universe, which is called gravitational force, and this gravitational force is directly proportional to product of the masses of the two objects, which are written as m1 and m2, the masses of the two objects, and which is inversely proportional to square of distance between the two objects. So when we remove the sign of proportionality, we get the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square, where G is the constant of proportionality and is called universal gravitational constant. So I'm repeating the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. So this is how gravitational force is acting in the universe. Every object is being attracted by every other object in the universe. This is our earth and moon is just revolving around this earth with a force which is called gravitational force. And like these two planets, every object, every planet, every object, whatever the object is, it is attracting every other object with the gravitational force. Now why G is called gravitational constant? Constant means which has a fixed value, उसकी वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं होती. दिस इज G is called universal gravitational constant because the value of G remains constant throughout the universe. Whatever the place in the universe, the value of G remains constant. So again with the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square, and we rearrange the formula like we get the value of G, that is equal to Fr square divided by m1 m2. And by this formula, if we calculate the units of the G, then we will write Newton at the place of force, meter square at the place of r square, and kg square at the place of m1 m2. So unit of gravitational constant will become Newton meter square per kg square, and its value is calculated as 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So this is universal gravitational constant. At every planet in the universe, at every place in the universe, its value remains constant. Now we will do Earth's gravity. Uh, if we are talking about Earth's atmosphere, the object which is in Earth's atmosphere, Earth used to pull it towards it. Just because Earth has a gravity, has a gravitational pull. The force by which Earth attracts any object towards it is the gravity of Earth. By this gravity, Earth pulls every object towards it. Earth अपनी तरफ हर एक object को खींचती है with an acceleration which is called acceleration due to gravity. This is called small g as earlier mentioned. This situation of falling of the object, suppose an object is falling towards Earth, so its speed increases जब वो अर्थ के पास जैसे जैसे अर्थ के पास पहुंचेगी. That means the distance between the two objects, one is object is earth and other is the object which is falling towards the earth. So जैसे जैसे वो object अर्थ के पास पहुंच रही है, the distance between the two objects decreases, and as per our formula in the previous slide, If we are decreasing the distance, then force of gravitation becomes more. So if the object is reaching towards the earth, then the earth is pulling that object towards itself, which is called free fall, and the value of g at earth's surface is calculated as 9.8 meter per second square. But it's not a constant, so its value varies at different places in the universe. यूनिवर्स पे आप अलग अलग प्लेसेस पे अगर जाते हो, then the value of g e, small g e, which is called gravity, earth's gravity, or you can say moon's gravity, or you can say Jupiter's gravity. So every planet has its own gravity. Now let us see how Earth is pulling each and every object towards it. As we already learned in books that Newton is sitting under the tree, apple tree, and an apple just fall on his ground. Then he thought that why this apple is falling on the ground. So by this, he invented the topic of gravity. Now moon's gravity. So as I told you earlier that each planet has its own gravity. So as per calculation, the gravity on the surface of moon is 1/6 of that of the gravity on the earth. So that means weight of a person will become 1/6 times his weight on earth. So for example, if the weight on earth is 60 kg, then the weight on moon will be 1/6 of 60, that means 10 kg. Isn't it amazing कि किसी person का weight अगर earth पे 60 kg है, then his weight on the surface of moon will be 10 kg. Now, mass and weight. Mass is the actual matter contained in the body. जितना मैटर बॉडी के अंदर है दैट इज कॉल्ड मास. बट वेट इज द फोर्स. वेट वो फोर्स है बाय विच अर्थ पुल्स एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट. अर्थ जिस फोर्स से किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अपनी तरफ पुल कर रही है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेट. सो डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू एम जी because it is a force. So W is equal to mg, and as it is considered as the force, its unit is same as that of the force, that is Newton. So if m is equal to 15 kg, that means if mass of some person is 15 kg, then weight will be equal to 15 multiplied